Hello, and welcome back to English Toyu. In this episode, you will practice English with me for 5 minutes. It's short, it's simple, it's perfect for busy people. You don't need much time. This is snack learning, small and powerful bites of practice. You can do anytime. Do it in the morning, do it while you walk, do it before you sleep. It's easy to fit into your day, so your job is simple. Listen to me, repeat my voice, and speak with me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, speak, and flow with me. If you enjoy this new series, tell me in the comments. If many people like it, we will make more. Today's topic is one of my favorites. It's called the power of small habits. Many people believe success comes from big actions. They think they must study for hours. They think they must read many books. They think they must change everything at once. But that's not true. Real change is different. It doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in many small moments. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 2 hours once a month. You brush for 2 minutes every day. That's why your teeth stay healthy. Learning English is the same. It's not about one big study weekend. It's about small moments every day. 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, 5 minutes of shadowing. These moments may feel small now, but they build big results over time. These moments may feel small now, but they build big results over time. Now there is science behind this. When you repeat a small action, your brain changes. It builds a new path, a new road. Each time you repeat it, the path becomes stronger. The connection becomes stronger. At first, speaking feels slow. You stop. You search for words. It's not easy. But with small daily practice, it becomes natural. Your words come faster. Your tongue moves more easily. Speaking becomes automatic. Small habits are light. They are easy. You don't need strong motivation. You just do them. And that is when real learning starts, not in big events, but in small daily actions. And here is a secret. If you want to build a habit, start small. Very small. If you plan 1 hour every day, you might quit. But if you plan 5 minutes, you will do it. It's too easy, right? You can shadow while you make coffee. You can shadow while you brush your hair. You can whisper sentences while you walk. Small moments are repeatable. Repeatable moments grow. 5 minutes becomes 10. 10 minutes becomes 20. Soon, English becomes part of your life. Now, I had a student who was very shy. He was afraid to speak. He started with one small habit. He spoke to himself for 2 minutes every morning. At first, he said simple things. I'm getting ready. I'm making coffee. I'm going to work. After a few weeks, he said more. After 2 months, he told short stories. After 6 months, he joined a speaking club. 2 minutes changed everything. It transformed everything. So, here is my message. Don't chase big goals. Build small habits. Small habits change your English. They change your confidence. They change you. And this 5-minute podcast is one of those habits. Do it every day. Repeat it often, and you will be surprised by your progress. If you enjoyed this episode, please let me know. If you want more, tell us in the comments. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, keep shadowing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.